Hi beautiful people, I hope you're doing well and I'm very glad you're back on my channel. Today we're going to work on our high extensions. High extensions in the mix of the hip flexor strength and flexibility. We're going to work on flexibility in the upcoming videos, and today I'll show you a few exercises for hip flexor strength which will help you to get these high extensions. So let's not waste our time and let's work. Write down in the comments how you feel after this workout and have a great day then. And we do turned out straight leg lifts. Try to lift leg as high as you can and keep your back straightened. Also, beginners can stand on their elbows. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, good, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, switch legs, 8, and 1. And now lift leg and hold in this position. Switch sides. Double lifts exercise. And then we lift one leg up, open to the side, go back front and go down. Awesome! And then with both arms, lift your leg as high as you can and then hold your leg without arms. In next exercise, Developpé, we perform passé, then unfold our leg to the front, your knee turned out, and keep going as your foot maintains to straight. Good job. Let's add arm work and do double. And you're doing great. Now we can take a little rest, and next exercise is gonna be a real challenge. Ready? Let's go. So stand on one knee, keep your hips squared and lift your leg front, turned out. Good. In next exercise, we'll perform passé développé. Lay down on your back, perform passé, unfold your leg to the front, hip knee turned out, straight your leg and do double. Remember to keep your back on the floor. And then we perform same to the side. First goes knee as high as you can and then straight your leg. At the end, push a little bit more your feet in direction of the head. You can even touch with your hand the foot and then push into your hand. Good. And last exercise, vertical scissors. We perform it for 1 minute. Keep your lower back rounded. That's awesome. Now lift both arms into third position and keep working. We're almost done. And now lift both legs higher, straight your back, hold, and we're done. Thanks for watching and have a good day.